Hey guys, welcome back to another video today, guys. So today I'm going to be doing a review on these contacts and I'm going to be trying them out. These are the contacts that I'm going to be trying out. So I purchased these contacts myself from TTDYE. I bought them with my own money. So some of the contacts are actually prescriptions and then some of them aren't. So I don't want this intro to be long. So we're going to jump straight into the video and try on these contacts. Let's go. Okay, so opening up the packet, this is what it looks like. They gave me this little makeup mirror. Stickers! Cute little stickers. I'm gonna definitely use this to label which contact is which. And they gave a little note inside. This is the back of the note. They also gave little cases for me to put the contacts in, and they gave me stars. I don't know what to do with those, but it's cute. Very cute packaging. Here are the contacts. So these are the 3 contacts that I purchased. Which one do I do first? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've been dreading doing this video because my thing is, like, I can't get these contacts in my eye. I have glasses that I wear, which I cannot wait to get rid of. I just use contacts. But hopefully today goes well. So first one we're gonna try out is called Amber Brown. So I'm gonna go and pop these boys in and come right back. Okay, so I have one in thanks to this. Guys, a few minutes ago I had mascara all over this eye. It was not going in no matter what I did. But then I decided to like use the tool that it came with. You basically put the contact on top of here and then you apply it into your eye. These really do work, especially if you like don't have as much experience like me. Try using this. It might help you out like tremendously. The lighting isn't the best right now, but I'm gonna try and like get better lighting for you guys. Hold on. Okay, this is pretty much how it is and they're prescribed, so I'm so happy that I can finally see the world. Thank you. I wish I could see a little bit better, but I feel like that's how I feel with my glasses too. Okay, so now I'm just going to move on to the next eye color, which I would be doing Polar Light Brown. So the contacts actually comes in this package. Okay, this is it. My mom said these ones scare her. On camera, I think these look so nice. I have really small eyes, so I feel like these make my eyes pop more. These ones are not prescribed, but I like them. Okay, so on to the next one. Have you guys not hit that like button yet? Come on, subscribe, like. You know how this goes. Thanks. The next one that I'm going to be doing is this one right here. I'm going to be doing HD Brownness. Let's go. These have a little grayness to it, but I think I like that. Okay, so that concludes it for all the contact lens that I purchased. I actually really like these ones that I have left in. They're kind of subtle. These I think have more grayness than the Polar, but they're like very subtle. They are really gray actually. In terms of wear, they're not really bothering me that much. I did clean mine before I put them on. If you guys want proper care on how to, you know, take care of your contact lens, this is probably not the video for you. I'm still like a newbie, but you could probably watch a video on it or consult an eye doctor first. That would be great. So for these ones, they're actually prescribed, which I like as well, and I can see clearly out of them. So with all this being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it helps you out to decide whether or not you wanted to get these contacts. Remember to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later.